In 2006, Pluto lost its title as the ninth planet. But it wasn't just because it was too small or had a strange orbit. Pluto didn't meet the expectations scientists had for the ninth planet. Mathematical models showed that there had to be something much larger beyond Pluto, something that could explain the gravitational anomalies noticed in the outer reaches of our solar system. For years, scientists have searched for evidence of this elusive ninth planet, also called Planet 9. Recently, researchers at Caltech found strong evidence pointing to its existence, bringing us closer than ever to confirming Planet 9. Let's take a look back at how the search for this mysterious planet began. Back in 1781, Uranus was discovered, making scientists think the solar system was complete. But later observations revealed strange effects on Uranus and Neptune's orbits. These anomalies suggested the presence of a massive planet beyond Neptune. Then, in 1930, Pluto was discovered, and it was thought to be the ninth planet for decades. But as telescopes and observation tools advanced, scientists realized Pluto was too small to explain these gravitational disturbances. They also discovered that Pluto shared its orbit with other large objects, making it an unlikely candidate for the Planet 9 title. So what is Planet 9, and why do scientists think it's still out there? The evidence points to a massive object at least 3 times larger than Earth, with 8 to 10 times Earth's mass. Its gravity appears to influence objects in the Kuiper belt, causing them to orbit in unusual patterns, as though they're being pulled by a hidden giant. Recent research suggests Planet 9 could be a cold gas giant, similar to Neptune, but much further away. Its distance, perhaps 7 to 10 billion kilometers from the Sun, makes it nearly invisible. However, the upcoming Vera C. Rubin Observatory, set to start operations in 2025, will be powerful enough to search for it. If Planet 9 exists, this observatory might finally reveal it to us. We may be just months or years away from the biggest discovery in modern astronomy. Is there a hidden giant in our solar system? Will Planet 9 finally be revealed?